Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going over how to do an elliptical. When you first get on the elliptical, balance. So hold on to the armrests on both sides. We're gonna put both feet up, make sure we're balanced. We can grab on to the front handles here or the side ones. Not all ellipticals will have the front ones here, but they will usually have at least the side ones. Those are the ones that move back and forth. Now this one happens to be battery operated, so you have to start pedaling in order for the machine to come on. And after you start pedaling, you'll hear a beep. And if you just want to do the very basic, you hit go, increase your level. That's about it. And that's what I would recommend for beginners. For posture, make sure that you have neutral posture, especially with your head. I'm demonstrating with a stick on my back. You certainly don't have to do that, but if you have any questions or comments, let me know. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.